Laking pasasalamat po natin that they landed safely, and once again the government, the whole of government team, directed by the president since day one. Actually, if you go back to October 7th, nung nagkaroon ng Hamas-Israel conflict, October 7, 2023. Merong mga bansa na kung saan may shelter ang host government, but at the same time we complement in terms of providing temporary hotel accommodation for some OFWs. But already we're thankful to the host governments kasi grabe talaga ang protection nilang binibigay sa ating mga mamamayan, mga OFWs. Sa reintegration, ayan na, yung National Reintegration Network na itinalaga ng Pangulo 2 years ago, ay nandiyan na, nagpupulong kami with DTI, Sec. Chris Roque, nagpulong lang kami ng isang araw. Secretary sa Department of Tourism, Secretary Kiko Laurel sa Agriculture. So, lahat kami are a reintegration network. Kasama na dyan ang DOLE, kung saan magpapa-job fair din tayo, local and overseas jobs sa mga nanunumbalik na kailangan magkaroon ng bagong trabaho. Meron ding livelihood, yung nabanggit ko nga, DTI, DOT, DA. And then yung TESDA, DG Kiko Benitez, sa pagpupulong ng reskilling and retooling.